Yeah, Gaza Nation. Here what I want to say. I want to say bless up to UTG. You see what I say? Bless up. Look at Addy and look at vibes. Because here what I go on. Right about now, you know. I see Winford, you know. I show a look at snippet. A look at vibes interview. Because I don't know the interview gone already. I'm just a wait till look more for drop it. Right now, it look like the biggest interview that Winford have from the last time vybz Kartel take him interview. Because what they are, we that say, yeah, I look at Addy. You see what I say? Because the youth dynamic in his own fashion. And the material evidence there for sure you on stage say the youth locked down the interview for a good while. But me I talk about exploding an interview. That look at Addy though. No gimmicks business not dead about it. You see what I deal with? Yeah. And now I look at vibes. You see what I deal with? Tear up the interview. Because right now, me not watch the whole of the interview, you know. But just from the snippet where Winford show man. You see what I deal with? Yo, my sister me never wrong about the youth. Well educated, well smart, is a fun youth, is not a youth where go around and a portrait no form of toughness. Even though him parents them have thing and him have thing, is a fun youth, is a youth where ours will laugh. You never see the youth like him there on no form of bad vibes yet from you know the youth until now. The youth ours will laugh. My sister the youth immaculate, you know. And here we go on. Just see the little snippets where Winford show. It look like, you know, a murder, the man murder the interview and also murder Winford too, you know. It look like Winford now have no argument for him, you know. No, I don't know, no joke thing, you know. It look like Winford now have no form of argument for him, you know. The youth make him know everything them touchdown goal, you know. I don't know, no joke shit, you know. So, no know, Gaza Nation, when we done with this interview, you know, Winford have to repeat back that all next week, you know. No lollipop thing a day night, you know. For the world, it's not a plan. Just watch what I go on. Carefully. A franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You don't know it going on. When I come for represent, you know, a full effect in man. You know it go? When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing then. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion but yeah. Watch me now man. Are the people's champion. Oh you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man from YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, Gaza Nation. Me not laugh with it. Me say look at vibes. Turn on stage upside in down. From the look short snippet where me say me no need for see no more. The man tear up on stage. And you know when time the interview, the full interview drop, me I go fly back and sound the big thing them louder even before. This is what I say when necessary equipment drop. And I'm no joke explosion me I deal with. Because I don't know from look of vibes, do the stock in the trader, I make him know straight. Say yo, you are my artist right about now. From me ear, me never hesitate. You know what I mean? Me never silent with it. I come out on YouTube and sound the loud explosion and make people know, yo, I ain't taking nothing at all, you know. From look at Addy, you know. I see same of the lyricist, you know. But you see that youth and name look vibes. when you listen him and listen the melody and the flow when him flow and that an international artist look pan. Nobody know act like not believe me. Oh, when you start see regular now, and a whole heap of people start talk a different story now, Wait, man. Just wait, man. You not gonna see what I go on. You not gonna see what me I talk about. You not gonna see what me I talk about. You know what I mean? But I don't feel like some farmer gimmicks thing. I go on boy. You not see what I go on. I say, likkle vybz. The man. I wonder if to me it look like the man tougher and evil the melody makers. You no wrong me for say so governation. No, I just the way the look youth operate. I don't even know joke shit. The youth look like him tougher than evil the melody makers. I don't know joke shit. You know what I mean? Cause it look like but they even know what for say. The youth, not because a world boss son, but listen to the youth carefully, hand the rhythm. Then you will have an idea what me I talk about. Because enough people, you know, them not know music, you know. Them listen to a couple words, you know, and feel like I hit that, you know. Them don't even know when a song structured properly, you know. Them don't even know when the artist, you know, drop off of the beat, you know, from when him dep on it, you know. And don't even know gimmicks thing, you know. Them look at you with your born for the music, you know, my brethren. Yeah, and them don't need much coaching. All them need are just the basic. No gimmicks business in a it Gaza nation. You see what I say? No farmer gimmicks business in it. No farmer lollipop thing. That's all the man them need. You see what I deal with? But right about now, we already see it. We don't even need nobody else to tell we. Soon, them youth are international. Watch and say for joke. When I just mark my word. Feel like a some farmer gimmicks thing. Watch some boy take some interview, you know. On the same on stage there, you know. And make a mockery of themselves, you know. We watch boy all take interview, you know. And when Winford, you know, a question them, you know. Boy turn around and act like a this the man, you know. Just because the man, you know, catch up on them, you know, and tell lies, you know, in a them interview, you know. And when the man catch up on them and tell lies in a them interview, you know, and ask them back about it, you know. Them want act like them want disrespect the man and want get bright with him. That's what I deal with. Then, when they say, one of them who claim say, him are the new thing, and him a run the place. The one we name, what him name? Intense, aka vybz. Watch him from Winford, and the man is like a little 5-year-old. This is what the man a do. Like you know, like a 2-year-old. You know, so the man, a big interview, the man on on stage, you know, watch it. Like this my world patient, virgin. One time I hear me tell you that, and I feel like a gimmicks thing I deal with, or a joke thing I depend. And this my world patient, that man. I don't joke shit, a cartoon character. You know what I mean? Universal Studio, animated. No gimmicks business in it. You can't be big man, you know what I mean? Say you're big man, you know what I mean? And to all you talk tough and them shit there. And them principle them man see you with. And at the same principle them I see how you deliver your song. And over me and tell you say change up that shit there. And come straight to the people them and make people can understand you properly. That they can make a mark in a dance hall for yourself. No, you watch the look at hype where you have and feel like so well then, yo, it already done already, it finished. No, not finished. A whole heap of artists come and get the break. And him shine for the first 2 year, him come out. And after that, a problem for me for find all the next hit. You hear me I say? Problem him inner for find the next hit. And me I say, him have the eyes of the people them right now and the ears of the people them. Better make sure, make use of it, and no joke shit, You see what I deal with? Better make certain you use of that, and not deal with joke thing, and try to capitalize, upon certain shit, I not fight against him, I just tell him the truth, Say the animated style like cannot run dancehall, and whosoever or which vlogger want to act like so well then, when me I see a bullshit and what them I tell him are the right thing, continue follow them. Me I tell you personally, say that style cannot run dancehall. It can get some hype in a dancehall. You already get that already. That's the farthest it can go. It can't run dancehall because that style now can it no make no big move overseas. Because nobody no ever understand what you say. A real talk me I deal with. I don't know gimmicks business. That's why I respect the up top boss TJ. Remember gun song bust that youth there, I know people can't believe him so wicked, A gun song bust the youth, my brother. And for hear the song where the man and vybz kartel dropping, I tell you, the youth them they really need that, They get to youth them they really need that, Because what they hear, the Prime Minister, the Honorable Brogard, run out, in a parliament, and make big speech, But them want do this to dancehall and them want do that to dancehall because dancehall music are influence man and all them shit there, And what? Where you think the bad boy them in the country them do? The man them slam down back him chat down him throat. Him shame like a dog. I'll know him not come back out. From him open up him mouth and say that. To the amount of murder where the man them start going with in the country, Bro, God shame like a dog, I'll know him not come out, come address nothing or say nothing at all, The man them can't manage, The activity where the bad boy them are going with in the country, I don't know, joke shit, This is where I deal with the security minister, it's like a big joke, You know what I mean? I just nice words and thought them have, What they doing? Whatever they doing not working. The Zozo business not working. The state of emergency not working. Whatever they doing not working. Them can't find the metal for stop it. You know what I mean? Them not have no strategy. You know what I mean? Them not build feet. A matter of fact, do you believe they really want to stop war going in the country in terms of crime and violence? If you ask me, I not think so. I years upon years this are going. I don't know on you. I don't know on you. You know what I mean? Ungo true say them youth are more gruesome. But I don't know on you. I years upon years this shit are going. You know what I mean? And them can't input no form of strategy and no form of metal for stop it, nor for even make it calm down. So we have to wonder if them want to stop it. Or them like when the youth them behave them way there. So them can busy make the money what them want make until for them for set for themselves and them family on a different level. So them no response to the poor and needy. As some work, man, I not deal with lollipop thing. A real thing I deal with, I not deal with gimmicks business, I say, bro, God run out and chat about dancehall. And the rude boy them hear him. and slam back donkey back down him throat. Him shame like dog. I know him can't come out, come say nothing at all when it come to crime and violence in the country. But Gaza Nation, remember, you know, a look more, look vibes, interview a drop. I make me tell you something. You go over on stage, go shell it away. Because win for the after repeat back that next week. And a gimmicks thing. The look of you deal with him wicked. More know if when vybz kartel a 18-year-old FM intellect like this look of you. Yeah. And that more know, you know. Because the youth intellect till it look bad in my virgin. And a gimmicks thing, you know. You see what I say? Yeah. No farmer joke thing. The general, the 10-star one, I represent Gaza Nation. You know what I represent in the comment box? Gaza way. Ain't no other way. 10-star general.